Today is Friday. Matt took the day off and he is helping me. He's gonna be my filmer and my painter. He's eating a sandwich. A sandwich.
Breakfast sandwich.
Breakfast sandwich. We're on our way to our room makeover for Dixie Belle for DBTV. Super excited. Going to meet our lady for the first time and see her master bedroom and decide how we can help make it a better space. So we're looking forward to it, right, man?
That's right.
I'm glad I get to spend the day with you.
It'd be nice. Here we are. Hello.
I'm good, thank you.
Dogs.
Thank you. This is Matt.
Hi, Matt.
Hi, how are
This
you?
is Priscilla.
Dogs.
Do you go by Priscilla? And those are dogs. Do you hear the dogs? So every inspiration photo that you sent me had a green wall. So we're gonna do green wall. Are you good with that?
Oh yeah, sounds great.
And then I think I'm gonna use a color called Oyster for the walls. We're gonna go color match to that and a color called Cactus for this back wall. Your bedding that I ordered is all in ivory. And so I think we're gonna stick with like army green because your drapes here are an army green color, but they're almost a brown.
Yeah.
They're like a dark. Very, especially because the sun never shines on them, it's behind them. So I think it makes them look really dark, which I think looks great with the brown. So I really think they come across as brown. So I think I don't think we have to worry about matching the green to it. Your lamps are already done. They have a white drum shades. I sent you the pictures of those. And then we may do a piece of artwork for above the bed. I'm not sure. I was thinking if we had time, if we went to like a Goodwill or Salvation Army, a thrift store around here, and got a big piece of framed art for nothing, maybe $15. And then have you ever done where you use like speckle or what do you call that, babe? The
Joint compound?
joint compound.
I've always wanted to, but I
Yeah,
have
and you
not
put it
used
on and
that.
then you drag stuff through it and
Yeah.
make designs. It would be very neutral and very earthy because I think the vibe we're going for here is calm, earthy, restful, peaceful, very neutral. And you got a new chair. I love your chair. So okay, let's go to Home Depot and get our paint and we'll get started, Mr. Painter. Look at Priscilla going to get her paint. She's so excited. So Priscilla sent me some inspiration photos and I'm using Dixie Belle color paint for our inspiration paint. We're gonna get them to color match it into wall paint and buy gallons of paint today. This is actually Cactus, this is Mojave, this is Oyster, and this is Umber, and these are from the Silk line. And she's happy with this. She sent me about, oh my gosh, 8, 9, 10 rooms, and they kind of all had these same colors. So we're getting our wall color today. We're getting trays, rollers, drop cloths, and that's it. We're gonna go home and paint. So we've just been informed that the color match machine to do this is broken. So we are gonna do the old-fashioned color matching, and we're gonna go down this wall of swatches, and we're gonna find the swatches that look the most like these two colors. I have enough of these two colors at home, but these two are what we need for the walls. So let's get started. That's pretty
close.
Pretty dang close. All right, right out of the gate. Right out of the gate, we did good. So, okay, so now we're gonna go for this green.
Oh, this green.
It's kind of an army green. None of those look army enough.
That's too brown.
Too brown. What you think? Looks pretty good?
Yep, looks good to me.
All right, I think we're gonna go with that. Okay, Matt has figured out we need 1 gallon of this for our accent wall and we need 3 gallons of this for the other wall. So I'm gonna set this here and let him get that ordered, and I am gonna go get busy picking up our supplies. So, because we just came, we wanted to be like, we're you today. I mean, here we are, we're gonna do this, let's be you. So what do we need? And I like to just go ahead and get the tray sets because it comes with a couple of rollers, your handle. It's got a brush in there. I brought my own Dixie Belle brushes because I prefer them, but it's got some brushes, usually a cutting in brush in there. So I want to get 2 any difference? This has got
It's got 2 big ones. This has a little.
a small one. I think I'm gonna get this one.
Yeah, do the 2 big ones.
Matt, did you see if they had the really cool
I'll look. I'm
Okay,
sure
so
they do.
they make this really cool. We've done a video on it before. It's a roller that's got this thick handle on it, and you put it in, you suck it up, and you don't have to keep re-rolling into the tray. It's really
that's
cool. So
super
let's go
cool.
see if we can find it. Oh, right here?
Yeah, that's it. No, that's an attachment. I think they're gonna be over here by these extensions.
Oh, we did it once upon a time. Those are great.
They are amazing. They are amazing. Sorry, honey, I don't have any. Matt called, and the other Home Depot has those special rollers. Oh, it's a Lowe's. We're
Yeah.
going to Lowe's for special roller because it's worth the extra ship. I think they got it.
This is the Wagner paint stick. Speeds things up.
Are you happy? Does that make you happy?
Maybe it works.
What? You've used, you like these.
I know, but they leak and sometimes it's all over you and you gotta wrap a shirt or a towel or something.
How much
around
was it?
it. $35.
All right.
Not bad.
All right, let's
But it
go.
only comes with one roller.
So this is how Matt and I usually roll when we roll. Matt's rolling. This is how we roll. He rolls and I cut in. I'm doing the last bit of cutting in on this green wall. It's over the ceiling.